In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Looker Studio. We'll bring your Instagram data into a Looker Studio report using a partner connector so you can visualize performance alongside your other marketing metrics. Start by going to Looker Studio, which you might still see referred to as Data Studio in some places. When you land on the reporting page, open the report where you want Instagram data to appear. If you already have a dashboard in mind, select that report to keep everything in one place. Once your report is open, switch into Edit mode. This unlocks the toolbar and lets you modify data sources and charts. You should see the editing controls across the top of the screen. Next, click Add Data. This opens the connector gallery, which is where Looker Studio discovers and links to external sources. In the search or browse area, type Instagram. You're looking for a partner connector that pulls Instagram or Instagram Insights data. Because Instagram isn't a native Google data source, these partner connectors act as the bridge between your account and Looker Studio. Choose the Instagram connector you prefer and click it. Take a moment to review the brief description, the fields it supports, and any usage notes the partner provides. Connectors can differ in available metrics, update frequency, limits, and pricing, so pick the one that aligns with your reporting needs and budget. When prompted, click Authorize. This allows the connector to access Looker Studio on your behalf, and you may see additional prompts to sign in and grant permissions. If you manage multiple Instagram properties, confirm you're authorizing the correct account. Many connectors work with Instagram business accounts linked to a Facebook page, so if you're using that setup, make sure you're signed into the right profile. If a pop-up is blocked during this step, enable pop-ups for Looker Studio so the authorization window can appear. After permissions are granted, click Continue. The connector will finalize the link and prepare the available fields such as followers, impressions, reach, and engagement, depending on the partner you selected. From here, your Instagram data source is available in the report and ready to be used in your charts and scorecards. If you ever need to adjust which account or fields are included, you can revisit the data source configuration in the same report. And that's it. Go to Looker Studio, open your report, enter edit mode, add data, search for Instagram, choose a partner connector, authorize, and continue. You're now set up to bring Instagram Insights into your Looker Studio reporting workflow.